Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, March 15th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. As you know, I apologize. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that you're going to find in the Family Weekly. So, scholars, this Wednesday is St. Patrick's Day. So, please wear your green. Wear your green. You can wear a green shirt with your blue jeans. So, make sure and wear your green for St. Patrick's Day. Also, scholars, remember attendance counts every single day. We have a winner for our February attendance, perfect attendance. All those that had perfect attendance, your names were put in a drawing. And our winner is, drumroll please, Matthew Molina Carter. Nice job, Matthew. Miss Moran will be delivering you a pizza this Friday. So exciting. So exciting. Nice job, scholars. Remember, every day counts. So please come to school every single day. All right, scholars. It's a great day to learn. Have a great week, and we'll see you in the classroom. Hoot, hoot!